Just asking you.
Oh,
I'm the manager.
okay.
So why just take the picture without my permission? Any happen?
Do I need your permission?
No, I'm just asking you, who is this?
Who is what?
You.
Hello YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel, No Question About It. Please take a moment and head over to his YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. Today's video took place on March 16th, 2022 in Killian, Texas. The auditor was out doing some cop watching when he came across a situation and started filming the police. The manager at the motel he was at didn't like that the auditor was filming, and neither did the Fillings police that confronted the auditor later. Now, let's dive right into today's video and see how this plays out.
No question about it. We doing it for Sandra Bland, rest in peace. We doing it for Patrick Warren Sr., rest in peace. Doing it for Marvin Guy, free my guy. Yeah, that's me.
I don't need it.
What's the problem?
Yes, I'm the manager. I'm just asking you.
Oh,
I'm the manager.
okay.
So why just take the picture without my permission? Any happen?
Do I need your permission?
No, I'm just asking you, who is this?
Who is what?
You.
Who am I?
Yeah.
Why are you asking?
Because of he say the cops, then I'm not gonna say nothing. You know what I'm trying to say?
I don't know what you're trying to say.
No. Either the cops, then that's fine. What you gonna do? You know what I'm trying to say? Sometimes, public, customer gonna do this stuff, and they give you the hard time for us. You know what I'm trying to say?
You mean like the police?
No. Sometimes police do. That's different stuff. But you work for police? Yeah, yes and no. Yeah, you just only just hang around here and just do this stuff.
Am I obligated to answer any of your questions?
Okay. I'm gonna call you. Somebody.
Butler, you get around. Butler, you want to talk to us? Butler?
fucking up the government vehicles. Look at his asshole. Look at his ass.
Okay, this guy take my picture. You know what I'm trying to say?
You want him criminally trespassed?
Yes, 100%. Not 100%, 1,000%. Why take my picture?
He said 1,000%.
Sir, can I get your ID?
For what?
You criminal trespass.
You know how criminal trespass work, Moody?
Yes, sir.
464. All right, have you been drinking today, Moody? Tell me how does criminal trespass work?
Can you come back to the criminal trespass?
Tell me how does criminal trespass work, Moody?
Once you give me your ID, sir, you're going to get a citation saying you're no longer welcome here. When you step back on this property, you're going to be arrested.
Tell me how does criminal trespass work, Moody? Are you familiar with the law, Moody?
Mr. Butler.
Get your supervisor down here before you make a big mistake, Moody.
Mr. Butler, your ID, please, sir.
Make a big mistake, Moody. Get your supervisor down here. I advise you to get your supervisor before you make a big mistake. How does trespassing law work, Moody?
You tell me, sir.
You tell me. You the law enforcement.
You're about to find out.
All right, let's find out then.
3464. I need a supervisor around as well.
Let me get your ID.
You have it on my shirt, sir.
Who are you?
You have it on my shirt, sir.
I need your ID. Your policy says you're supposed to produce an identification, your police identification upon request. Let me see your ID, Moody.
Sir, it's on my chest.
How do I know who you are, who you say you are?
You dealt with me before, Mr. Butler.
All right, so you failing to identify yourself?
No, sir. Moody, 464.
That's not, I need your ID with your card.
I need your ID.
All right.
So the manager wants him criminally trespass. He's failing to give ID.
Nobody asked me to leave. Do you know how criminal trespass work, Moody? Do you know how criminal trespass work, Moody?
Yes, sir. Do you know how criminal trespass works?
You obviously don't, because you're trying to force me to give you my ID and not having broken any laws.
Sir.
How does criminal trespass work, Moody 464?
You want?
Can I get your name and badge number?
Shafi 501.
Thank you for your professionalism. This clown trying to force me to give my ID. You need to learn the law, Moody. Look at him. Yes, sir. I don't know my job. I need a supervisor.
Butler, you're being warned of criminal trespass to this property.
Shut up, Moody.
Sir,
Shut up. Blah, 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 blah. I don't want to hear nothing you got to say.
do you want to sign your
Shut up. Shut up.
Sir?
Shut up. I don't want to hear nothing you got to say. Nobody asked me to leave. So shut up.
Sir, here's your copy. Mr. Butler,
You look like a fool right now.
sir, you can take your copy, please. Okay, sir. Come back on.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out No Question About It's YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until the next episode of Know Your Rights, stay safe out there.